Welcome to BeCloud Training. As leaders in the AWS community, we are committed to offering complimentary training sessions that focus on AWS Best Practices. Our goal is to empower our customers with the knowledge and skills they need to excel and use the AWS services effectively, and also following the AWS well-architected framework. So today we're going to talk about AWS Systems Manager and focus on patch and session management. The agenda today, we're going to dive into what is System Manager. We're going to explore its core functionalities and how it integrates within the AWS ecosystem. We'll also address the needs filled by a System Manager, understanding specific challenges and requirements it addresses for cloud management. We'll also dissect how Patch Manager works within System Manager, detailing its role in maintaining security and compliance through automated patching process. And then we'll also define what is Session Manager and discuss how it contributes to managing your service securely and conveniently, even without a bastion host. And finally, we'll just take an introductory look at the Run Command. It's a feature that allows you to remotely and securely manage configurations of your EC2 instances or other machines. Together, grouped together, all of these components form a robust framework for streamlining and automating cloud resource management, and also enabling operational excellence. So, AWS System Manager, what is it in a nutshell? A quick review. It enables operations automation. If you look at the chart here, you have IT service management, application management, and node management. So you really divide System Manager into three areas. The change management, we've done an AWS meetup on that where we discussed that in a previous video. But also Session Manager and Patch Manager is what we're going to focus today, and also talking to Run Command. As you can see, those are in the node management section of the System Manager total solution. Operational efficiency through automation. That's what System Manager provides, and that's what we're going to look at today. So delving into the compelling benefits of AWS Systems Manager for patch management, first and foremost, we emphasize better security through repeatable processes. The systematic approach ensures the security protocols are consistently applied, leaving no room for error or oversight. You know, we have a story where you have IT admin who has just been compromised. When a server's been compromised, they go back and look through the logs and they find out that there was a patch that was available to prevent somebody from getting in, and for whatever reason that patch was not applied successfully to this server. Well, that's what this does. It's going to allow you a systematic approach to ensure that those patches are consistently applied, leaving no room for error or oversight. Now imagine a workplace where your operational team spends less time on mundane, repetitive tasks. That's where we see an advantage of reducing tedious work by leveraging System Manager, specifically Patch Manager. We empower our teams. We can empower your teams to focus on more significant high-level tasks, driving more innovation and greater efficiency. We also want to point out the simplicity of the patching process. Making patch easy is not just a goal, it's a reality with System Manager / Patch Manager. Thanks to streamlined verification, comprehensive inventory, event scheduling, and overall reduction of patch complexity, these features combine to make the patching process less of a chore and more of a seamless part of your operations. Resource overload, where we're talking about people or servers, multiple users and multiple servers trying to download large files simultaneously can strain the network, strain a system. We'll explore how System Manager addresses these challenges by ensuring that such demands don't compromise your system performance Our productivity, where we're talking about users, are we talking about the network? Integration. So the patch management integration is all encompassing. You can use patch management with AWS to integrate with your ITSM systems, trouble ticket systems, um, to like send alerts, send reports, that kind of thing directly into the system that you're already using. Also, it supports hybrid cloud. It supports different other cloud vendors, maybe Google, Azure, and you can control all that patch across on-premise and across all of those different cloud providers using AWS Patch Management. And it supports OS variety, so you can patch and make sure that your patches are, whether you're using Mac OS, whether you're using Ubuntu, AWS Linux. This really helps you make sure that you can patch all those different varieties. How does patch management enable cloud operations? It plays a pivotal role in your system maintenance and security. AWS Patch Management is not just a tool, but it's a comprehensive solution for managing updates across your AWS and on-premise environments. First, Patch Manager excels in prioritization, which means it enables you to identify critical updates and prioritize them based on severity, ensuring that the most important patches are applied first, thus maintaining the integrity of your systems. When it comes to classification, Patch Manager gives you the ability to categorize patches, whether they are security updates, bug fixes, or feature enhancements. You can classify and group patches, which streamlines the deployment process. Scanning is another crucial feature. AWS Patch Manager continuously scans your environment to detect missing patches, providing real-time visibility into your compliance with the patch policies you've set. And deployment. When it comes to deployment, it makes it effortless with AWS Patch Management. It automates the process of applying patches, allowing for scheduled maintenance windows, while also decreasing and minimizing downtime. The automation ensures that your systems are always up to date with the latest security patches and updates. In summary, AWS Patch Manager is your ally in maintaining system health and security, enabling you to take a proactive stance on patch management. As we continue, it's important to spotlight AWS Inventory. It's not a component that's directly related or involved in patch management, but it's a crucial aspect of your infrastructure management. AWS Inventory provides a detailed and organized view of your AWS resources, ensuring that you have complete visibility of components of your complete total IT landscape. This visibility is essential for a comprehensive security and compliance posture. Now let's talk about the backbone of the system management patch capability, and that's the SSM agent. The SSM agent is critical software that facilitates this process and allows you to manage this across no matter what cloud provider, no matter if it's on-premise, no matter what operating system. The SSM agent is what allows you to do that. And it's included with many of the Amazon Machine Images or AMIs. The SSM agent accesses your eyes and ears across the entire infrastructure. It collects vital information. It can collect install applications, network configurations, OS versions, and more. This data collection is the foundation for maintaining a secure and compliant environment. Moreover, the functionality of the SSM agent extends when paired with AWS Config. So all of these things can be related, all of these different AWS components can be combined, and this integration allows you to track changes over time, enabling you to audit, evaluate, and assess the configuration of your AWS resources consistently. Understanding these components is key to realizing the full potential of AWS System Manager, talking about Patch Manager, and streamlining and securing your operations. As we dive deeper into AWS Patch Management, let's explore the sophisticated mechanism that simplify the patching process. The dashboard you see here is a testament to the intuitive control AWS Patch Manager grants us. You can see patch states, you can set up patch groups, you can look at patches all in one central screen. You can look at the compliance reporting, etc. The patch baselines are the cornerstone of this process, where you can automate patching with rules for auto approval. This level of automation ensures that your environments are proactively secured with the latest patches. Regular scans and installations are pivotal with AWS Patch Manager. It excels here by systematically scanning and installing patches on a scheduled basis. This routine maintenance is essential for operational integrity and security. And then addressing the urgency of cybersecurity threats. AWS Patch Manager notably shortens the time to install zero-day vulnerability patches. Rapid response to these vulnerabilities is critical, and this service ensures you're equipped to act swiftly. Understanding your patch compliance posture is fundamental. AWS Patch Manager provides comprehensive insights, allowing you to gauge your compliance status and act upon any deviations immediately. In all, Patch Manager doesn't just enhance your security, it transforms it, providing streamlined, automated, and a robust patching framework. Operational security through Session Manager. So again, Session Manager builds on the SSM agent, and as we mentioned earlier, it also can do ITSM, integrate hybrid and different OS varieties into one complete solution. As we focus on AWS Systems Manager, a vital component of the Systems Manager that offers a new paradigm in managing infrastructure security is Session Manager. Session Manager provides secure access without a VPN, significantly reducing the risk of external attacks. By not requiring a traditional VPN, it minimizes the potential entry points for attackers while still granting secure access to your servers for your operations team. Sessions Manager is a centralized management. All your administrative tasks can be performed from a single console, simplifying operations and providing a unified view of your system. The integration of Session Manager with IAM highlights a commitment to security. By enforcing the principles of least privilege, it ensures that individuals and services have only the minimum access necessary to perform their functions, which is a fundamental aspect of secure system administration and the AWS well-architected framework. And lastly, the Session Manager helps to reduce the overall overhead by eliminating the need to manage SSH keys. This is not only simplifies management, but also enhances security by reducing the risk associated with SSH key proliferation. In essence, AWS Session Manager streamlines the secure access, administrative tasks, ensuring a robust, simplified, and secure management experience. Let's talk about the Run Command, which is a powerful feature of AWS Systems Manager designed for ad hoc configuration changes at scale. With remote execution, Run Command flexibly extends its reach not just to AWS environments, but also to hybrid and cloud native setups, even across different cloud platforms, as we talked about so many times in this presentation. This versatility allows you to execute scripts wherever your infrastructure resides. Emphasizing security, AWS Run Command ensures the interactions are logged and operates without the need for inbound network ports, mitigating potential attack vectors that overports can expose. Then there's the convenience of AWS predefined templates. AWS has already crafted common administrative task scripts, saving you time and effort. These templates are ready to use, allowing for swift and consistent task execution. One example of this might be using those run commands to install Docker. Set up Docker on your 100 Linux instances. This run command could allow you to do that. And scalability is the core attribute of the run command. Whether you're executing commands on a single instance or orchestrating configurations across thousands, the run command handles the task with ease, demonstrating its prowess in managing operations at any scale. To wrap up our session, we have a practical treat for you, a hands-on patch management lab. This is your opportunity to put theory into action in practice, using AWS Patch Management in your own non-production AWS accounts. During this lab, you will experience firsthand the nuances of automating patch deployments, configuring patch baselines, and ensuring compliance across your infrastructure. It's a chance to deepen your understanding through direct application of the principles and tools we've discussed today. By engaging with our Patch Management Lab, you will gain the confidence and skills to manage your AWS environment and your patching strategy efficiently. This is not just learning, it's doing. The most effective way to master AWS Patch Management. We encourage you to dive in, explore, and make the most of this learning opportunity to enhance your expertise in AWS System Manager Patch Management.